Welcome to Combat University. I'm Tim Heisey, and for this lesson I'll be going over part 3 of our 4-part series of Superman self-defense. Today's technique will be based off of Superman vs. Darkseid from the Justice League episode Twilight. Watch as once again Superman gets thrown around by his foe. After this clip, we'll meet up again right here to go over how we can overcome an opponent when they try to grab us. Let's check it out.
This is where you belong, Superman, under my heel.
Hey! In this episode of Superman vs. Darkseid, you'll see the Darkseid had grabbed Superman and started tossing him around. For this technique, we're going to go off of that grab, that left-hand grab to the chest. Bob's arm isn't going to extend and fully grab me, so we're just going to have to imagine. We're going to grab his wrist, that way to keep him from moving. We're going to turn. As we turn, we're going to extend his arm. And we're going to elbow up into his elbow, breaking or hyperextending it. So that's the first part. Grab, step, twist, and elbow up. From here, you'll have let go of the arm. Right backhand to the groin. Left hook to the ribs. Right hammer to the face. Right throat strike. And a right backhand. So it's 3 quick strikes right after each other. Hammer, throat, backhand. Again, grab, strike up, hammer, roundhouse, hammer, throat, backhand. So, hitting right in the ribs for the hook. We're hammer striking right here to the nose, or even to the top of the eye. If you hit the eyebrow, that's very thin, it'll bleed. Even if you hit his lips, that's okay. Just strike the face. From here, the throat is open, because he just went back. Strike, just straight out, and then backhand. Same thing, top of the eye, nose, mouth. Again, slowly. That's it for technique number 1. Technique number 2, the independent. So we're going to wait for him to strike. As he strikes with his left hand, whereas he reaches out to grab with his left hand, we see it coming. We're going to turn. We're going to hook, right? We're going to hook and grab his hand or his wrist, whatever we can grab. So grab it, turn, strike. Hammer, ribs, hammer, throat, backhand. So this one's a little bit more difficult, but you can do it. Grab, break, strike, hook, hammer, throat, backhand. Last time slowly. That's it for technique number 2. For technique number 3, if we want to go for that arm, right, we can do a lot of things. We can kick and then, go into our strikes. But for this one, we're going to go after the same technique. So if his arm's by his side, we see him getting puffed up, his chest is up, he's out, right? Just step in, grab his wrist, pull, strike, groin strike, hook, hammer, throat, backhand. Again, grab, pull, as you turn, elbow up into his arm. Again, so we're going up into his arm. Backhand, hook, strike the face. Easy enough. That's technique number 3. Now I'll show you how to do this technique on the bag. You're going to have to picture your opponent grabbing you, right? His left hand grabbing you right here in the shirt. Grab, step, turn an elbow up, hammer, hook, hammer, throat, backhand. Again, we want to do the aggressor technique. Grab, turn, hammer, hook, hammer, throat, backhand. That's it. Now to imaginary opponent. He grabs us. Grab, strike, strike, hook, hammer, throat, backhand. Sometimes it's easier to do it without an opponent because you can do that full range of motion and go as powerful and as fast as you want. Grab, step, strike, release, hammer, hook, hammer, throat, backhand. That's it for today. Thanks again for watching. Again, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I'll meet you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.